beautiful. Saying I love you, it's not the words I want to hear from you. It's not that I want you not to say, but it